What are you doing up there, Sam? What you doing up on the bookshelf? He's trying to get the string. Sammy? I can see you. Oh, just about got that frame. I can see you. How are you going to get down now? How do you think you're getting down from there? Sam? 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 What did he knock over there?
That is a picture frame. Imagine you come home from town and find all those picture frames knocked over.
He can go to the chair, I suppose. Ah, hey, Sam. He's trying to get, oh, no. Trying to get in the shelf beneath. What are you trying to do, mister? Oh, he's milking Alex. No. Here comes. Whoa. Oh. Man. Oh. He probably can, actually. You just have to knock a few pictures over, though. Knock the little picture. They're like snakes slithering into things. Yep, it's coming down the table. Come on, Sam. Oh my God. Hello. A little bit close. Well, did you enjoy that little trip around the bookshelf? Hey? Did you? What was that about?